Today is August 11, 2019 at crooked yung camera ko. Ayan. So right now nasa taxi ako on my way to walang pakisama. On my way to an event in Shaw Boulevard, Ortigas. My God, yung buhok ko dahil kailangan ko ng either ipagupit o something. So if you guys are interested to see where I'm going, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be informed of new videos that your girl uploads. Diba nakakaya naman? Andito si Kuya. Nagvo-vlog ako. Ayan. So, if you guys are interested kung paano ba ang buhay ng isang vlogger. Kasi yun po talaga yung unang-una kong ginagawa sa buhay. Before I became a vlogger and before the term vlogger came into existence, I was also a blogger, and this is one of my blogger related events. So yeah. So if you guys would like to know how to be a vlogger, like events vlogger, keep on watching.
Is about self-care. So self-care in our generation is very, very important. At the beginning of this event, we wanted to name it Pamper Party. But we wanted to make everything with a sense, because we believe that as a company, everything has to have an advocacy.
I strongly believe that nobody was born in the middle. Walang taong pinanganak in between. But always bear in your mind that there is always a place to improve, and there is always a place to keep your face healthy and glowing. A place where you can find the younger you. And this is why we are here. And this is why we have Elite Skin Perfection. Thank you and happy self-care Sunday, everyone.
Elite is completely different. You want to call it salon, you can call it clinic, you can call it shop. Different from everything that you saw, because we combine here traditional treatment, new treatment, and also high-tech machines. So I'm happy to see all of you here and thank you.
Oh, diba? Actually, tapos na yung event, guys. Nandito na ako sa mall. Tanak! May bibilin pa kasi ako. Pero, if you guys enjoyed this vlog, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be informed of new videos that I will be uploading. For now, I do have to go, guys. Thank you so much sa panonood sa aking simpleng buhay as a vlogger. Hindi ko kinunan lahat on another person's perspective, but I will do that on the next vlog kung gusto niyo yun. But for now, I have to go. So, thank you so much for watching and I'll talk to you guys soon, okay? Bye!